Acres! Today is Tuesday. It is September the 22nd and a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Hey, let's make sure that we are showing up on time, and by on time I mean a couple of minutes early. When we log into Schoology and we're in for class, we are already there when class begins, not just logging in, because you know how that takes an extra minute or so for us to actually get started. Tomorrow is RTI, so make sure that you are A, showing up to school, B, checking in with your advisory class, and C, take a look at this schedule so you know where to go and when to be there. Don't forget, we have office hours at 12:45, and from 2 to 3:30 is your asynchronous work time. Tdap vaccinations are happening today outside the Murphy Center. That's happening between 9 and 11 this morning. If you cannot attend today, we also have other options at the other middle schools. Check out our page on the website or on the Schoology page for more information. Remember, you cannot attend face-to-face class when we return until you have your Tdap vaccination done. So make sure that you get that taken care of before we return to school. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, that being respectful, it costs nothing to treat someone with respect. It costs zero. It's free. All you got to do is do it. What a great way to be, huh? That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.